What is going on? Just zipped out here after work and gonna try and pick up some panty fish. Some gillies and crappies maybe, and some small perch. Going to a little spot that is pretty good for early ice, on about like 4 inches now. It is 23 degrees out, winds are about 5 miles an hour. It's 3:30, I got an hour and a half. Maybe a little bit less once I get everything ready and out there, but few people out. Not sure what they're catching, but let's go give it a rip, baby.
Slow.
A lot of small ones?
Very few bites.
Really?
Want these?
Oh no, I'm good. I'm just going for a little bit.
Okay.
Thanks though, appreciate it. What's that?
So you just between the bluff guy?
Yeah.
I've seen your videos.
Have you?
Cool, yeah.
Thanks, man. First. Look at that thing. Criminy, bud. There you go, buddy. Using a little red tungsten jig with little clam Mackie plastic on there. Got some good movement. Grab it. Man, where is the slide? It just inhaled again. Come here, little buddy. Catching fish, but I would like to eat. The red rocket strikes again. Ooh, there's a keeper. Yes, yes. Keeper. Turn on, baby. Let's go. Nice little 8-9-inch crappie. Wow, dude. going up it, down the crappie. Yep. Nothing super big, but seeing I'm already cleaning fish, that's a good eater. Just a beautiful day. Beautiful night. Getting ready for a night bite, hopefully. Hitting the plastic, man. God, I love it. Ooh. There we go. Operator. Just a little night crappie. Aim better ski. Back down. Whew. Alright, packing her up. The bite kind of died. So we are calling her quits. Got about 5 fish, I think. That I kept. Not monsters, but good eaters. So that is good. Go get them cleaned up. Feeling a little fish sandwich action. It's what? What's in there?
Fishies.
Fishies.
Oh.
You ready to have a fish sandwich? Yeah, you are? Alright, let's make some fish sandwiches. Gotta get these cleaned up. Alright, we just got done fishing after work. Picked up a couple gills and a couple crappies. Got them cleaned up quick. And all the pin bones taken out. And we're just gonna do a simple little fish sandwich recipe. So what you really need, and obviously work with what you got. We kind of worked with what we got too. Tonight we're using Andy's fish breading. That's the Cajun style. And we got little Frank's Red Hot, Miracle Whip, or tartar sauce, whatever you prefer. We have artesian bread, whatever. And then we got a little peanut oil going too. So once that gets hot, we're gonna get rocking here. Okay, so you'll want to get your fish super dry, pat it off with a paper towel. I'm sure you already know that. I get my peanut oil super hot, seeing as that it's smaller pan fish and they're gonna cook fast either way. That helps get it a little bit more crispy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first dunk it in the breading to kind of get a first coat. That'll help kind of with any remaining wetness on the fish. And we're gonna do a little dunk in the Frank's. And then we're gonna go back to the breading. Once you shake off a little bit. Back to the breading. That good and coated. Kind of pat it down a little bit. And shake it off and going in. Alright, so I just took the fish out of the oil and it is in the microwave right now, staying warm. We're gonna get some bread in the toaster and we'll be able to put it together. Alright, we got our fish all cooked up. Got 2 pieces of toast here. I like tartar sauce with mine. So I'm just gonna lay a little bit down there on each side. Take some fish. There. Oh, lettuce. And cheese. There it is. Big old fish sandwich. Alright, we're going in. Mmm. Bomb jiggity. Try it out.